Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing, well, the Nike SB Dunk Low and NARDWUAR collaboration, which, keep in mind, these are dropping December 6th on sneakers and December 3rd at your local skate shop, so make sure you guys are ready for this release, and we're basically going to be doing an unboxing for this pair. This one in hand goes absolutely crazy, so we're going to share all the up-close details. We're really going to just, again, show everything with the shoe, discuss the release details a bit, along with maybe the resale prices some. I can just kind of tell y'all where they're at right now, like 250, 300 is about where we're seeing these land, the bigger sizes for a bit more, so we'll probably see those drop as the release approaches over the next week. Let's get into it. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes, and let me know if you're going for this sneaker right here. Excuse me, I gotta eat some breakfast, my bad. But aside from that, you guys can check out my Instagrams down below or my Whatnot Lives. Do not forget, we're pretty much posting there every single day on both places. So if y'all want to check that out, feel free to, again, go give us a follow. And especially the Whatnot Lives. We did these at $1 yesterday. Someone took these home, size 12, for a fat steal. They took them home for, I think, like $80 on the market. 12 said like $350 right now. I think they took them for $270. So congrats to my guy that got these for the steal yesterday, and we do that pretty much every single day and Whatnot. So if you want to check that out, we do sneakers, clothing, Supreme accessories, a little bit of everything. So that's the goal. Check it out if y'all want to, and if not, absolutely no worries. But there's a lot of dope stuff there, so heavily recommend. And yeah, that's what I can say about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Let's get into, again, unboxing these in full and showing y'all everything with these. So again, the first thing I can show you guys aside from the pair is, well, the box right here. So we have a normal sale box, as you guys can see, and then of course here is the size tag on this, as you guys can see. So you guys can see at the end of the box, right, or the lettering, it says NW for NARDWUAR. So make sure you guys are looking for that on your box. But aside from that, as you guys can see right here, take a look. So top of the shoe right here, right on the laces, you guys can see that it's based off NARDWUAR's cap, right? I'll show you all that in a sec because there is a detail on the insoles that shows that. But here's a photo of NARDWUAR. You can probably see what that's based off, right? Very, very simple. Along with the plaid colorway. My boy tends to rock plaid a lot, so I mean, I don't know him like that, but yeah, you know what I mean? He tends to rock plaid a lot. So you guys can see, super, super clean. Of course, NARDWUAR, known for his rap interviews. Don't forget about that. That's mainly what he's done over time, along with a few other things. But I would say that is the main thing, is those rap interviews and how he catches people by surprise is mainly what we remember him for. And let's see if this will focus for me. So that plaid colorway, again, you guys can see. Let me zoom this out a bit here. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got good focus right there. So you guys can see that colorway. Super, super clean in hand. I'm going to show you all some other details with the shoe as well, aside from, again, just the outside look. So you guys can see on the tongue tag right here, it just says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Another detail I really want to show about this sneaker as well is, again, look at how many extra laces we got with these. So aside from, right, the standard black laces that we have, look at how many other options you have as well. You have 4 different options. So including the black laces, you have 5 different laces with this sneaker. So I just think that's one detail to mention about this pair, is that they're hitting us with a lot of laces. So I thought that was pretty cool. No details right here on the inside of the tongue tag, as you guys can see, just pretty simple standard stuff. I think, do we have a white? Oh my god, there's a white set of laces too. Is there? No, I thought there was. For a second I was about to say, bro, they're a blessing on this shoe. But these are definitely going to do well just for the fact they have so many laces, right? But that's not the main reason. I'll show you all some more details and you'll see why the sneaker's going to do well. So yes, and see, of course, on the back of the sneaker right there, it says doot doo la doot doo. I can't say it like NARDWUAR, so that was my the best chance you're going to get. But you guys can see, again, on the heel right there what it says. So that's his typical catchphrase that he says at the end of all his interviews, right? So don't forget about that. And again, that plaid look continuing on the heel. You guys also go to the soles right here. You guys can see, of course, it says, well, the same thing that it said on the heel right there. Let me show you. So you guys can see what it says right there. So of course, that same catchy catchphrase right there that he says at the end of all his interviews. Excuse me. My apologies. I cannot speak this morning, but we're getting started. And another detail to show you guys. Again, this sneaker goes crazy. Like, I'm definitely getting a couple pairs of these just to put in the vault and forget about long term. Hopefully I can hit some for retail. We'll see. But you guys can see the inside detail on the tongue tag right there. You guys can see it says NARDWUAR, the human serviente. And again, Nike SB, their logo right there. And you guys can see his cap right there. Take a look. So you can see what that thing, again, look at the top of his cap. You can see what that's based off right there. So hopefully that now makes sense for anybody that might be new to NARDWUAR. You know what I mean? But aside from that, you guys can see just such a clean pair in hand. I really feel like Nike didn't let us down with this one. Like, they definitely fully delivered on this release. Like, you can see everything with this sneaker. You can definitely tell, right, like it's a NARDWUAR collab. I don't feel like that's very hard to notice when you look at this sneaker, especially with the catchphrase on the bottom, the overall plaid look, right? This on the top of the sneaker, right, which is also on the top of his cap. And then just all the other details are throughout this sneaker. So I thought that was really the main reason I was excited for this sneaker. It's just, again, they really killed it. They did a great job. I'm excited for this release on December 6th. All those up close details, as you guys can see. Look at the bottom of the soles. You got icy soles too, man. You're gonna win me over with that. So they put that on the icy soles. Like I definitely want these in my collection as an SB collector. So that's what I can say about the NARDWUARs. Again, such a clean pair. I'm excited for the release on December 6th on sneakers, which when I checked on sneakers yesterday, they were not loaded yet. So we'll have to see about December 6th sneakers, right? Maybe that release will happen, but we do know December 3rd at your local skate shop. So make sure you guys are checking NikeSB.com/shops if you don't know where your local is, so you can at least have a chance to get these. Follow them on their Instagram or website. Just stay posted there for updates, right? And yeah, that's what I can say again about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Just such a clean one in hand. Super excited for these. What we're actually going to do right now, right? Instead of all the talking, right? You guys can see again. Look at all those. This has me stoked too, all the extra laces. But aside from that, what we're going to do right now is, again, some B-roll shots. We're going to show you all these up close without me talking over it. Just really what these look like in hand, since, again, these details up close are killer for this pair. And I really want to show you all, again, some closer details without me, again, talking. Just some close-up shots, better focus. That'll give you all the full, all-around look of this sneaker. Is that focusing? Good. All right. But yeah, these are clean, man. These are going to do well for sure. I mean, resale prices right now are at like $250, $300. I see those staying pretty consistent, honestly. Big sizes will probably stay closer to like $250, $300-ish, you know. But the smaller sizes will get a bit cheaper. I would definitely expect that. But that's what we can say about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Such a clean one in hand. Tons of extra laces. And just a pair and release I'm really, really excited for. I mean, these got details. These got details. Like, it's definitely just one of those SBs that stands out on feet. So if you like plaid, hey, this might be an SB you'd like, you know what I mean? So aside from that, let's do the B-roll shots. We're going to actually have some pairs of these soon on my site as well, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's what I can say about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Such a clean one in hand. So that's really what we can mention there. And let's do these B-roll shots right now. Sorry for talking so much, but let's get into it. I just like these, man. Like, they did a great job with these. I'm going to check if there's anything under the insole, too. They've been doing that lately with Nike collabs, putting stuff under the insole. Nope, nothing under the insole there. So, just NARDWUAR's beautiful face, the human Cervante. As you guys can see, the man that they're collabing with on this shoe. So, let's do those B-roll shots. Let's go. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Such a clean one in hand, and definitely a release that has some hype. One of the more hyped December releases. We do have some really big stuff on the way, like the Gamma 11s, a few things like that, but these definitely are gonna, you know, have some demand, so don't sleep. That's what I can say. But if you guys like these, or, you know, want more content like this, just kind of unboxing SBs a little early like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. We've done this for a while, so again, if y'all enjoy that type of content, stay tuned here for that. You guys can also check out my Whatnot Lives down below, my Instagram pages, any of that. It is all in the pinned comment. Feel free to drop a follow if you want. And again, just mainly drop your thoughts on this pair in the comments. That's mainly what I'm curious to hear, is what you guys are thinking about this sneaker. I think that I love that detail. It's one of my favorites about this sneaker. So I think they did a great job. Again, all my socials down below, my website too. If you ever want to cop something, use code Wick. Well, I'm actually going to add another code soon, so stay tuned for that. It's not there yet, but I'll add it shortly, so don't forget about that. But that's pretty much what I can say again about, well, the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Excited for this release, December 6th on sneakers, December 3rd at your local. So don't miss out. And let me know your thoughts on these in the comments. Are you copping for retail? Would you pay resale? Let me know. I feel like a lot of people would pay resale on these. It's a clean pair, man. And it's got unique details. So you'll win me over with that. All right, that's it. Sorry, I cannot hold these. But until thank you guys. Everything is linked down below if y'all want to. Again, I think I already said Yeah, I already said subscribe and like an outro. We've done everything we really need to do in the outro, I think. So here's a picture of my cat, Luna, being a little goofy goober today. We love her. And that's it. Okay, Luna, we're going to hang out, all right? She's literally rolling over on her back right now. Okay, I'm going to hang out with my cat, guys. See y'all tomorrow on the next one. And let me know your thoughts on this banger shoe right here. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.